In this video we look at opening the clock application on a Mac through Excel. The application can be launched programmatically by incorporating Visual Basic code into the Visual Basic Editor. This action creates a macro, enabling you to open the application as needed. To open the Visual Basic Editor, press FN option and F11. Once the editor is open, click on the This Workbook option in the Project Explorer in the left pane. A module will appear on your right where the code can be pasted. Copy the Visual Basic code located in the video description. After pasting the code, navigate back to the workbook to save the file by clicking on the Excel icon. Navigate to Save As. Select the macro-enabled option when saving this file to ensure that the macro can be used the next time the workbook opens. To run the macro, press FN option and F8. After the window appears, select the macro to run, then click the Run button. If you prefer to use a button to open the calculator, navigate to the Insert tab and to the Illustration section. Insert a shape that the macro can be assigned to. So I am going to name the button and assign it to the macro I just created from the Buttons menu. Now I can use this button to run the macro when I need the clock application to open. I hope you liked this video. You can find other programs to open in Excel by selecting the article link in the description. Thanks for watching.